Hello, my fans. Okay, so good day to you all over the world, wherever you're watching this video from. I'm saying you, yeah, you. For you to be on this platform at this moment, I want to say good day to you, and I hope you're well. And first of all, I want to say thank you for coming to this video, to this YouTube channel. I also want to thank for those that have subscribed already. I want to say thank you for the massive subscription. Thank you for your feedbacks. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your responses. Thank you for making this channel quite interactive. And I believe that the videos you have been able to watch so far has been of good help to you, either for your IELTS, maybe for IELTS classes, maybe for alternative to IELTS. You don't have to write IELTS if your alternative is acceptable, and several other videos that you have watched: job opportunities, relocation to UK, to Canada, to Australia, to New Zealand, how you can assess your skills, your skill assessment for relocation to Canada, and several other things that have been shared on this YouTube channel. I believe at one point or the other they've been a good help to you, and I can tell you with all sincerity of heart that there is more to learn on this YouTube channel. We are going to be doing a massive work this year, and so first of all, I want to thank you to my subscribers. You guys are amazing. You know, it's a massive subscription, and I want to say thank you guys for subscribing here. And for those that are sharing, thank you very much. I appreciate the share and the comments, making the page quite interactive. I want to say thank you to everyone, and for those that are coming here for the very first time, wow, I celebrate you guys. Thank you for coming, thank you for watching this, and I believe that you're gonna subscribe to this video, and let's do more for ourselves. Okay, so this morning I just want to raise a reminder. I remember sharing a video about relocation with your family into the permanent residency pathway to Canada, specifically Saskatchewan and Moose Jaw community in Saskatchewan. And I believe a lot of people have seen that video, watched that video, and I also supported that video with another video on how to get a job from foreign employers who can employ people from outside Canada. I also shared that, but you know, I've got several feedbacks. Like I said, first of all, I want to say that you are one of a million people that are applying job to that particular place. Yes, there are a lot of people applying jobs all over the world, applying jobs. So you know, some people say they applied, they've not gotten feedback. My dear, there are a lot of people that also apply that have not gotten feedback, and I can tell you that all those job positions, all those job applications, they are not fake, they are real. If you check the dates those things were dropped there, you know, and the day it's going to expire on that website, it's all there. So it's not fake, but because there are so many applications, I can tell you that even in your home country right now, if you are applying for this job decide to push out an application today, you'll be amazed at the people that are going to apply for that job, because everybody wants job. Everybody wants a better job. Everybody wants a better offer. So I said that to say that the competition is huge, and trust me, it takes somebody who has the required documents, the required information, the required opportunities to be accepted into this particular jobs. And you know, yesterday I spoke with one of my mentors, and the person was telling me that Australia is actually a very good one at this time, and I'm going to share that video later. We're going to have good time to talk about it, how you can start your relocation process, because the person also is on it, and will soon be done meetings with the employer already. Sincerely, yes, this is not, I'll bring the person to this YouTube channel to share that experience with you. So it's going to be a good time for some people to relocate to Australia. There are a lot of places to go to with different routes, and you're gonna learn that on this platform. Trust me, very soon. It's not gonna take time. And so please, like I was saying, the relocation to Saskatchewan, most job precisely, is closing in 6 days. It's just 6 days. There is a application window that is from the 19th of this month to the 31st of this month, and we have 6 days left. And I believe that you don't want to miss this. You don't want to skip. You don't want to miss on this, my dear. That everybody is applying does not mean that they will pick you with that application. You still have to apply. Can you just do your part? Yeah, do your part by applying. Do what you have to do. I don't want you to do a job. I don't just submit for submitting sake. Like, be intentional about what you're submitting. Give the best of what you're submitting. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. Give the best of your information, the best of your scores. Put your best into what you're submitting. Because there are a lot of competitions, the best will actually be picked. So you need all of these things. If you are said that you are a skilled worker, then you should have documents to show that you actually did those jobs. People who have documents will definitely be having leverage, than those who don't have documents. You don't have certification, you don't have payroll, you don't have a lot of things to back up that which you do. Your information from your employer isn't on a letterhead paper. They couldn't get to the payroll. You couldn't show your account, details to show the inflow of cash from your employer and all of those things. A lot of people are applying for this job, and a lot of people have all these documents. So you can say the competition, but don't trust God. Your time will definitely come, but you won't be sitting and expect the time to come. You have to take action. So take action on these ones that you have heard of, that you've been told, and expect the feedback. Be expectant. Keep applying. Keep trying other places. I shared my experience. If you check my previous video, I've been trying to relocate since 2020 now, or 2021. I've been working on it. I joined my IELTS academy. I joined an IELTS academy, passed my IELTS, moved from there, did another IELTS. I didn't fail the first IELTS. And I encourage people, connect yourself with people that can help you. Sincerely. Relationship in this life, you don't joke about it. Anyways, the main aim of this video is to let you know that it's closing in just 6 days. Relocation to Saskatchewan is just 6 days. It's gonna close 31st of January by 11:59. So please, if you've not seen that video, just check my YouTube channel. You check that video. Check the videos on how to get jobs, and just match the two together to be able to make progress on your videos, or on your applications rather. So guys, I just want to wish you best of luck, like I always do. I wish you all the best, and there is more opportunity to share here. Now, I also want to mention that sponsorship all over the world, or relocation all over the world, is not as easy. So if you think you have applied for a job and you didn't get feedback, it might not be very easy like you want it to be, but trust me, your time will come. So guys, go and apply for the job in Saskatchewan. Most job precisely, hit the subscription button as well. Don't forget to follow the procedure. Don't be stingy to share those important videos that you have seen. Your helper today, or the person you help today, might be your helper tomorrow. You never can tell by just sharing information. So guys, I'm gonna see you in my next video. I just need to drop this for you so you know that you have few days left if you are still interested in doing it. So I'm gonna see you again, and I have good news for you. It's loading. Sincerely, good news for you, and it's loading. And I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye, and have a wonderful day.